Today's topic is the regular expression and the rules used for simplifying the regular expressions. So we are starting now the discussion. So under this topic, regular expression, today we will be discussing about identity rules for regular expressions. So what are different rules, okay, that we can use to simplify the regular expression. So one by one I am reading and I am expecting you to note it down as well. So very first is, if P and Q are two equivalent RE, okay, that is if P and Q represent the same set of strings, to simplify regular expression the following identity rules can be used. So here we will be discussing 13 identity rules. Okay, very first rule is, if you are having two regular expression, as we already know, phi can be also represented as a regular expression. This is one regular expression, this is another regular expression. So phi plus any regular expression is equal to R. Similarly, empty string dot, so I have not written dot, it means it is hidden, so it is dot, empty string dot R. So if you are concatenating any regular expression with the empty string, or if you are concatenating regular expression with the empty string, then its result is the regular expression R. Similarly, if you are having alternation for the same regular expression, then you can have R. Similarly, R dot R star is equivalent to R star dot R, which is equal to R plus. We have already seen this A dot A star or A star dot A. Okay, so that is nothing but R plus, which is one or more occurrences, where star represents the zero or more occurrences. Okay, so are you listening to me? Okay, I hope. Okay, so let's not switch it. Next is fifth one, empty string plus R dot R star is equal to empty string plus R star dot R. Okay, so again this is again alternation R dot R star, or you can write similarly R star dot R. Okay, so what it will give you again, so these two are equivalent. Next is phi dot R is equivalent to R dot phi is equal to phi. This is very important. So many students get confused in this. So whenever you are concatenating with phi with any regular expression, or any regular expression is concatenated by phi, then you are getting phi as an output. Similarly, empty star is equal to empty. Similarly, phi star is also empty. Then R star dot R star is giving you R star. Then R star whole star is giving you R star. Then PQ whole star dot P is equal to PQP whole star. Okay, so the next problem which we will solve for this, we will be requiring all these rules. Is it clear? Next is P plus Q R is equal to PR plus QR. PR plus QR. Similarly, R dot P plus Q is RP plus RQ. Now this is very important rule, and it is necessary that you should clearly understand it as well. Fix in your mind that P plus Q whole star is equal to P star Q star whole star is equal to, is same as or equivalent to P star plus Q star whole star. Okay, so these two are equivalent to actually P plus Q whole star. So we will prove also this particular thing. So I hope you are now aware of the identity rules for regular expression. Now we are moving to algebraic rules. So these are our algebraic rules. What are the algebraic rules or laws for regular expression? First is union operation is, so union operations on regular expression are commutative, that is r plus s can be written as s plus r, both are equivalent. Similarly, union operation on re are associative, that is r plus s plus g is equivalent to r plus s plus g. Next is concatenation operation on re are associative, that is r dot s dot t in bracket is equal to rs dot t. Next is concatenation operation on re is right distributive over union. So what it means, if you have r plus s and dot t, okay, see here it was plus t, here it is dot t, is equal to rt plus st. Similarly, concatenation is left distributive over union, that is if you are having t dot, so here dot was letter this union operation, here you are having t dot r plus s, so it is equivalent to tr plus ts, and finally phi star is equal to mt. Okay, so these are the different algebraic laws for regular expression. Now we have to use this identity rules and algebraic laws for regular expression to prove certain equations which are given using the regular expressions.